Hey guys, it's day 26 and it is a strength day. So do any of the strength workouts you've learned so far or one that you're already doing. We've only given you two, or you could use a circuit workout. Strength or circuit is fine. If you don't want to do strength, you absolutely can do cardio. The tip for today is to remember every time you do a strength workout, you always want to wait 2 days before you do it again. So 48 hours, so skip a day, especially if you're doing total body. So if you do a whole body strength workout on Thursday, wait till Saturday. You can see on our calendar, we always skip a day. Your muscles need time to rest, recover, and rebuild before you break them down again. Because when you do strength training, you're actually breaking them down so that they can grow stronger. So tip for the day, always wait 48 hours before you work the same muscle group again in a strength routine. Have a good day and enjoy your workout.